What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in again. First off, let me just say Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you guys for all your support. 2018 is going to be fantastic. We have a lot to come, so that's going to be the point of this video. So what is to come on the channel, and what do you guys have to look forward to, basically? So we're going to talk about both cars right now, and Billy's car. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We have a lot to come, so stay tuned. All right, guys, we just got home, so let's go ahead and just talk about what is to come with the FRS first. So first things first, we have a few things we have to install. So coming in the next couple weeks, we're doing the turbo. So again, it's a Speed by Design. It's a 500X. That is coming very, very soon. So stay tuned for those videos. Probably going to do an installation kind of montage, just kind of break it down, because again, I'm probably just going to take my time with it. After that, we do have the wide body kit still for the FRS. So still kind of debating whether I want to do that or not. So if you guys want to see that happen, comment down below and tell me to put that shit on, and I'll do it. What else? Probably gonna do a few more interior things, and then we'll just have to see what happens, because again, I really didn't plan on doing the turbo, but that's gonna be the next big thing. We have the kit, we have a Mishimoto oil cooler coming. We're gonna have oil catch cans coming along with that as well. Need to order those. We're gonna be tuning it with the open flash tuner, so we gotta order the tune as well. So I think we're going to stick with that right now for the FRS. There's going to be a lot more, so just wait. Next up, let's go ahead and talk about the FJ. All right, guys. So the FJ, first things first, it has a lot of repairs I have to do to it. So, and when I say repairs, it's totally drivable. It's fine doing it. There's just a few things that are really bugging me. So first thing that's really bugging me is my exhaust. So I did change my exhaust a while back. I have Doug Thorley headers, Doug Thorley wide pipe, and then I had a Banks Monster exhaust, but that muffler went out, so I ended up putting a Borla back there. The kit, it was great when I first had it, but now it's got a few leaks, so I need to go ahead and basically pull everything off, get new gaskets. I'm going to weld a bunch of stuff. I'm going to wrap it, so we're going to get all that stuff done. After that, I do need to fix my front suspension. That long travel, man, I can't keep in alignment. So basically, I'm going to try to replace, I got a whole bunch of bushings, I got new uniball joints, all that good stuff. So that's all coming. We're probably going to make a video on basically reinstalling your long travel. So stay tuned for that one. The big thing about the FJ, thinking about changing the color. So as you guys know already, it was originally diamond black, the original 2007 color, whatever it was. Torn up pretty good with some Colorado pinstriping. Went ahead and wrapped it. Now it is a matte jet black. That's what the color is. I love the color combo, the black and the white. Now here's the thing. I can go back to black and white, or I can change it up. I've been kind of thinking about going with kind of that tread stone on the Ford Raptors, that basically that, whatever that gray is, like a concrete gray, slate gray, whatever you call it. I really like that color. So I'm thinking about doing almost like an opposite of what it is now. Black grille, black hood, black roof with gray everywhere else. It should, you know, emphasize the add-ons on there and all that stuff. The bushwhackers should pop a little bit more. So I'm really thinking about those kind of two color combos. But so let me know what you guys think about that. But if you guys suggest any other color combos, I love it. Give me a comment. I'll consider anything right now. As I said, nothing is set in stone. I'm just kind of thinking of what to do with the FJ to change it up. What else? So I want a roll cage in there, but we'll see if that's coming in. Again, I didn't think I was getting a turbo for the FRS, but I went ahead and spent the money on that. So we'll see what happens with the FJ. That might be the big purchase for it this year. So that might be something coming. One thing I have been considering is changing out my long travel on the front end. Currently, I have the All Pro. I would like to run bypass shocks up front, which I think might actually help me keeping alignments, just because it might actually help keep the right height. I do need to change out my current springs on my coilovers up front. For some reason, they just can't hold the load, so I think I need to go up to, I won't even quote what I think the weight is on those. I think they're 700-pound springs, but they might be 600, so I'll have to figure that all out. So that's to come. I was toying around with the idea of doing a drop bracket like the guys do with the 6-inch lift kits. I was thinking about doing a drop bracket long travel. So that's something that I could possibly toy with too. There's not many people out there who do that. So maybe one of the only FJs. I know there's like one or two maybe other ones who've done that. If you guys want to see that, comment in there. Let me know. Some other people told me to change out the light bar. I might do Baja lights up top. I did have round KCs before, but it really wasn't that Baja look. It was only 4 of them. I probably need to go with 7 or 8 of them at least to make it look better. But yeah, if you guys want to see anything done, let me know. There's a lot done to the FJ as it is, but the big things right now, as I said, coming up are going to be the exhaust, the suspension rebuild up front, and then the color change. So those are probably going to be the first 3 things that happen this year. And then, as I said, the big things on the FRS is going to be the turbo, and it's going to be the wide body. So stay tuned for all that. And then we're going to have a lot of stuff to come on Billy's car. Now, the Billy's car, I'm not entirely sure what we're going to be doing yet. So I know he wants coilovers. I know he wants to, again, he lifted it. He did the Forester strut conversion to lift it up a little bit, because originally he was going to go with that kind of rally look. He was going to go get different. He was going to go weld some bumpers up. He was going to put a tire carrier on the rear and all that stuff. So if you guys want to see that, because he's already got the shocks in there and all that stuff, he just needs different wheels and tires. If you guys want to see that, tell him. Give him a comment down below. And yeah, we'll build a full-on rally kind of WRX wagon thing. So if you guys want to see that, let us know. I know he said he wants to do the coilovers, as I said, so that's probably gonna be one of the first things he ends up doing. He did buy new headlights. He has an interior light, basically inside lights that are all controlled by your phone, so that's gonna be to come with the WRX. And then you never know, so there could be a lot more things coming with that too. So stay tuned. There's a ton of material coming. We're gonna make a ton of videos, so stay tuned for all that. Now, what is some other content that is coming out besides mods on the cars? So if it would ever freaking snow here in Colorado Springs, I want to take the FJ out. I'm probably going to have to move it anyways, because my homeowners have been up my butt about, you can't park it next to your house, which it's in my driveway. So that's my life. But it doesn't fit in the garage, so I can't put it in there. So I want to take it out. We want to go do some crazy stuff. As soon as I get a few things fixed on it, like I do want to fix the front end, I just don't want to lose the alignment all the dang time. So that might be one of the first things I end up repairing. As soon as I get that done, we're going to take it to the mountains. We're just going off-roading. I didn't get to a lot in 2017, but this year, my resolution is going to be taking that thing out. So we're going to go out. We're going to have some fun. We're going to go and try to get more travel out of that thing. We're going to go do some, we'll make some video, get some content out. So that's to come. We're going to do more drifting stuff. We're probably going to take the FRS to the track once we get the turbo installed, because then I'll probably actually have a decent horsepower enough to compete with some people. So stay tuned. We're going to have a bunch of content on that, this car, and then we'll see what else. I mean, I've been toying around with getting a truck too, so that might be coming to the page as well. I know Billy wants something. He wants a Miata. He either wants an FRS, something that he can just go and tear to hell. So stay tuned. If you guys have suggestions on that one too, comment below. So guys, stay tuned. There is a ton of content coming. So 2018 is going to be awesome. Again, we started back in, I want to say October. I forget. I mean, it's like been maybe 3 months we've had our channel going. So we have a full year of just crazy stuff to come. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and then comment what you guys want to see again. We got that stuff down, which it's all going to come. But if you guys have other suggestions, bring it to us. 2018, we're going to do anything you guys want. So basically do it. Like, subscribe, as I said again. And thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Bye.